From Here to There, Class 3 EVS, prepared by D. Bala Jayadadi, ERT KV Neenambakam. From here to there. Come children, let's all sing the song of the train. Come on children, let's play again. Climb aboard the chugging train. Blow your whistle and take your seats onto shoulders if you please. Chuk chuk chuk, the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. Forward, backward, backward, forward, but in a line, don't run outward. Stay in line and shut your eyes. With open eyes, you will nothing spy. Chuk chuk chuk, the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. On to some oil, we move to go. Here come the lights and there they go. Across the meadows, over the hills, past aging farmers, temples, mills. Chuk chuk chuk, the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. Past village wells and a lush green field, with broken walls and a potato field. Smoky clouds, sad and proud, milling past, riders on mass. Flocks of birds, clustered huts, bridges and paths, dhobi guard. Small tea shops, puddles and flags. Chuk chuk chuk, the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. Chuk chuk chuk, the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. TLOs, the targeted learning outcomes are: children know the different modes of transport according to the distance. They know the transport in earlier days and in future. Children know about the vehicles used in emergency services. They know the fuels used in the vehicles. They know the transports driven by the animals. They know the number of vehicles in each transport. They know the vehicles and its uses. List of land transports: car, bus, scooter, auto, truck, cycle, carriage, automobile and van. The water transports are ship, boat, sailboat, boats, yacht, ship. Some air transports are aeroplane, rocket, helicopter, jet plane and air balloon. The rail transports are train, steam engine, railway tank car and metro train. Some list of transports driven by the animals: bullock cart, horse cart and camel cart. Name the fuel used in some vehicles. Auto and car, the fuel used are petrol, diesel or gas. In bus, petrol or diesel. Scooter, petrol. In electric train, electricity. Airplane, white petrol. Rocket, liquid hydrogen. Spacecraft and spaceship, liquid hydrogen. The number of wheels in each vehicle: auto and rickshaw 3 wheels, bicycle and scooter 2 wheels, car 4 wheels, bus and truck 6 wheels, airplane 6 wheels, boat and ship no wheels, train many wheels. The vehicle and its uses: push cart, selling vegetables, fruits and other items by vendor. Delivery van, carrying parcels, mails and other packets. Rickshaw with other hand operated pedals, used by disabled people for moving around. Tractor, plowing and other farming tasks, carrying goods. double-decker bus carrying passengers, ambulance carrying patients, motorcycles carrying 2 people at a time, truck carrying goods, oil tanker carrying petrol or diesel. Find out from your elders how did people travel 50 years ago. Were the present means of travel available at that time also? 50 years ago, people traveled by bus, bullock cart, train, rickshaw, cycle, etc. Except metro rail, all the modes of transport have been in use since more than 50 years. How would you choose to go from your house to the places written below? Write in box. Your house will use rickshaw to school. From your house you will use cycle to go to market. From your house you will use cycle to go to your friend's house. From your house you will use horse to go to relatives who live in hilly areas. From your house you will use train to your grandma's house or nanny's house. You will use boat to cross a river. From your house you will use ship across the sea. Which vehicles have you travelled in? Write their names in your notebook. You might have travelled in car, bus, metro rail, train and also in a bullock cart. Which all vehicles did the children travel in? Children travel in all kinds of vehicles. They are bus, metro rail, car, boat, horse, bicycle, rickshaw and bullock cart. What are the activities to be done in this lesson? Riddles on vehicles, sing a song of vehicles, make a model of a vehicle using waste materials or matchboxes, explain your train travel experiences. MDP, multidisciplinary project. How will you correlate this lesson with other subjects? In Hindi, you can sing the song of road, signal in Hindi. In maths, calculate the distance covered by each vehicle. That has been given in class 4 maths. In English, write an essay on your interesting journey. And art, draw the different types of vehicle and road signals. In craft, make a different vehicles using waste boxes, especially the train by using matchboxes. Music, sing the song of different transports. Also, wheels on the bus go round and round. In computer, make a PPT on different types of vehicles, road signals and the rules to be followed in road. In day-to-day life, what are the modes of transport you have travelled and share your experiences. Now, let's see some transportation riddles. I am painted a brilliant yellow. I have wheels and many seats. I can carry dozens of children. We go to school and home again. Who am I? I am a school bus. I have a siren and flashing lights. My driver keeps you safe. My patrol your town. We take criminals to jail. Who am I? I am a police car. I have no wheels, but people love me. I am quiet and move slowly. You use oars to make me move. If you are lucky, you can fill me with fish. Who am I? I am a rowboat. I have a bell and a loud whistle too. I can carry lots of people and things. I may be long, I may be short. My wheels roll only on rail. Who am I? I am a train. I have 4 wheels. I am very roomy. People love me and use me for everything. I love to go on vacation. Who am I? I am a minivan. People call me when they need help. I have flashing lights and a siren. Everyone gets out of my way. I carry people to the hospital. Who am I? I am an ambulance. I carry cargo from place to place. I drive on streets and highways. I might carry furniture or food or anything. I am big and long and I have many wheels. Who am I? I am an 18-wheeler. I am tricky to ride, but lots of fun. You push, I zoom. We roll along. Don't forget your helmet and knee pads. I am a scooter. I am a very fancy vehicle. I can carry one person or many. I carry them to meetings and parties. I need extra long parking places. Who am I? I am a limo. You might need me if you get stuck. Call me when your car will not go. I am very big and strong. I will help when you need a tow. I am a tow truck. I have no wheels or wings or motor. The wind makes me move. You could sail me on a little pond. We could sail the 7 seas. Who am I? I am a sailboat. You might hear me before you see me. Drivers stop when they hear my siren or horn. I carry water and hoses and ladders. I race to put out the fires. I am a fire engine. I have no motor, no wheels, no wings. Gravity makes me go. I'm quick and lots of fun. Just add a hill and snow. Who am I? I am a sled. I carry lots of people. I pick them up and drop them off. I might travel from city to city. I might only go from block to block. Who am I? I am a bus. I am very fast. I carry passengers from city to city. I can fly for hours and hours. I land at airports. Who am I? I am an airplane. I have 2 wheels. I have no motor. Sometimes I have a bell or a horn. You can ride on me. Who am I? I am a bicycle. I am simple and very strong. I have 4 wheels and a million uses. I do jobs around the farm. I help farmers grow crops. Who am I? I am a tractor. I have 6 wheels and sometimes more. People fill me with the dirt or sand or rocks. I carry loads wherever you want. I dump them where you want them. Who am I? I am a dump truck. I do not have wings, but I can fly. I can go straight up and down. I can go sideways or forward or backward. I can land almost anywhere. Who am I? I am a helicopter. I have 4 wheels. I am very useful. I take people to work and on vacations. I take people shopping and all over town. Who am I? I am a car. Bye children.